Now we will understand the format of an effective speech. Now this is before you. What is the format of an effective speech? Speech starts with an introduction, then comes body of the speech. In the body of the speech, we make use of quotes, examples, statistics, and anecdotes. And at the last of the speech, we make conclusion of the speech. First is introduction. When we are to start the speech, we should start the speech with a strong statement so that this we can grab the attention of the audience. While starting the speech, it is a good idea to introduce yourself and the purpose of your speech at the start. Now comes the main body of the speech. There are no specific rules which we have to follow while we are writing the body of the speech. In the body of the speech, you can explain the current situation of the audience to the audience. That is what is presently going on with respect to the topic on which you are writing. Then you can tell the problem if there is any. Then during writing about the main body of this speech, you can involve the general public by asking questions, and you can keep their thinking process on with your words. That is, when you ask them the questions, their the mind of the public also works at the same time, and they become engaged with the speech. Next, you are also to tell the audience what actions have been taken by you for the betterment in the situation. And in the body of the speech, you can also write about a few solutions as well. It may be possible that while writing a speech, you have too many points or very few points. It is better for you that you should choose only those points which are the best one, and you have to explain the best points briefly. In the body of the speech, you can give your personal opinion in one or two lines. Please keep in mind that you are not to deviate from the topic. To involve the general public in your speech, we can make use of some proverbs, maxims, or some slogans or good thoughts of some great people. Next, conclusion. At the last of the speech, we have to conclude the speech. It is important to conclude the speech in a way that your speech leaves a good impression on your audience. We can conclude the speech with a memorable quote or a call to action or a thought provoking question. If you use thought provoking question, it will inspire the audience to take action or continue thinking about the topic. We can add that we have already uploaded many courses such as on the topics such as email writing, present tense, past tense, future tense, cyber security, and most common mistakes in English grammar, and much more. You can look out for the same on various sites. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.